5 hidden reasons. Many LED lights stop working much earlier than their claimed lifespan. This usually happens not because of the LED chip, but due to hidden technical issues. Here are the top 5 reasons. Low quality LED driver. Poor heat management, voltage fluctuations, and power surges. Fake or misleading specifications. Wrong installation practices. Low quality LED driver. A low-quality LED driver is the most common reason LEDs fail early. The driver controls current and voltage for the LED. If it is poorly made, the LED cannot work reliably. Why it causes failure. Cheap capacitors dry out quickly. Low or fake power factor. No surge or voltage fluctuation protection. Poor heat resistance of components. Poor heat management. Poor heat management is a major reason LED lights fail before time. Although LEDs are energy efficient, they still generate heat, and that heat must be properly dissipated. Why it causes failure. Thin or low-grade aluminum body, no proper heat sink design, high wattage LEDs used in closed or non-ventilated spaces, fake wattage causing excess heat. Excess heat damages the LED chip, driver components, and causes early light degradation or complete failure. Voltage fluctuations and power surges. Voltage fluctuations and power surges are a hidden threat to LED lights, especially in areas with unstable electricity supply. Why it causes failure. Sudden high or low voltage stresses, the driver components. Cheap drivers lack surge protection. Driver ICs and capacitors get damaged instantly. Repeated fluctuations shorten overall lifespan. The LED driver fails prematurely, even if the LED chip is still in good condition. Fake or misleading specifications. Fake or misleading specifications are very common in the LED market and lead to early failure and poor performance. Wattage is exaggerated for marketing. Actual LED chip power is lower than claimed low-efficiency chips produce less light but more heat. No proper testing standards, LM80, IEC, or IS reports. The LED is either overloaded or underperforms, causing faster degradation, color change, or early failure. Wrong installation practices can damage an LED light even if the product itself is high-quality loose or incorrect wiring connections. Wrong polarity or shared neutral issues. Driver installed in enclosed or insulated spaces without airflow. No proper earthing or protection, overheating, flickering, driver damage, or complete LED failure shortly after installation. Ensure proper wiring, secure connections, good ventilation for the driver, and installation by an electrician who understands LED-specific requirements.